B3B. Okay, in this presentation, I can explain introduction to probability in economic statistics. Probability theory is a fundamental tool for understanding and analyzing economic phenomena. It allows us to model uncertainty, make informed decisions, and predict future economic trends. Okay, next slide. Probability concept and definition, sample space, event probability. In sample space, the set of all possible outcome of a random experiment. For example, the sample space for flipping a coin head a tails. Even a subset of the sample space and event occurs when a specific outcome is released. For example, getting head on a coin flip an event. Probability the change then event will occur appreciated as a number between 0 and 1. Probability of 0 indicates an impossible event, will a probability of 1 indicates a certain event. Next. Descriptive statistic and probability distribution. Descriptive statistic measures that summarize the characteristic of a dataset. Example include mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation. Probability distribution, a mathematical function that describes the probability of different outcome for a random variable. Example include the normal distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. Relationship. Discrete statistics are used to estimate parameters of probability distribution, which are used to model random variable in economic analysis. Okay, next slide. Hypothesis testing and significant level. One step formula hypothesis. State a null hypothesis H0 and alternative hypothesis H1 about population parameter. 2. Collect data. Gather sample data from the population and calculate test statistic. 3. Make decision. Compare the statistic, the critical value if the test statistic falls within the rejection region. Reject H0 or otherwise fail to reject H0. Correlation and regression analysis. In correlation, measure the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two variables. Regression estimate the relationship between dependent variable and one more independent variable. It helps to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the value of the independent variable. Okay, next slide. Okay, Bayesian probability and decision theory. Prior belief, depression in knowledge or assumption about the probability of an event. These prior beliefs are updated based on new evidence, like likelihood, represents the probability of the serving the data given a specific hypothesis. The likelihood function quantifies how well the data supports hypothesis. Posterior probability represents the updated probability even after considering the new evidence is the combination of prior belief and the likelihood of data. Okay, next slide. Application of probability in economic modeling. Risk assessment probability help to qualify and manage risk associated with economic decision. Forecasting probability models are used to predict future economic trends such as inflation and employment and GDP growth. Decision making probability provides a framework for evaluating different options and making informed choice based on expected outcomes. Like is future demand, dumping, butchery, investment, supply, creative output. Okay, next slide. Conclusion and key takeaways. Driven in insights, probability help to extract meaningful insight from economic data and make informed decisions. Managing uncertainty probability provide tools for quantifying and managing uncertainty in economic analysis. Informed decision making probability plays crucial in developing sound economic strategies and policies. Okay, next slide. Okay, that's my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Anjir, 6 menit, cok.